Okay. Umpisa na natin yung ceremony, yung kasal. Pagkinggan natin. Kasi sigurado hindi naman sa ngayon lang kayo nakakita ng kasal sa Muslim.
Thank you very much. First and foremost, I'd like to greet you a very, very prominent greeting or nice greeting in our traditional greetings.